Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some very attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet earrings. You will see most of the designs of crochet flower earrings in this video. All of these designs are very attractive and beautiful, having different types of crochet flower works in them. Most of the designs are having 2D flower work, but some of the designs are having 3D flower work of crochet as well, like this one. And these designs are mostly made in single color, but you will also see some contrasting color designs, and a few of the designs are made with multicolor yarn as well. And all of these designs are very attractive and gorgeous. Some of the designs are having beads added on them as well, and having crystal beads mostly used in them. Seed beads are also used in some of the designs, and you can see this beautiful design as well, which is also having a sequin work at the end of earring. And this one is having a very beautiful bead in the center of flower, and square patch flowers are also included in this video. Most of the designs are consisting of flower work, but you will also see square patches designs, which are also very beginner friendly. All of these designs are having mostly double crochet stitch and chain picot designs, but you will also see some other stitches working in some of the designs as well. Like this one is having a single crochet stitch and double crochet, 3 or 4 together stitch is also used inside it. So it is up to you. You can use contrasting color schemes using different patterns. You can make these kinds of earrings in different shapes. Like this one is made in a teardrop shape. So if you are a lover of teardrop shape, you can also make that specific design, and you can use it from both sides, from upper side or from lower side as well. So all of these designs are very attractive and are made with different materials. Most of the designs are having shiny threads used in them, which is used in jewelry making accessories, and silk yarn is also used in some of the designs, and simple cotton yarn is also used in most of the designs, as you can see, which is a 3-ply cotton yarn. So it is up to you. You can use any type of material to make them, and you can make any specific pattern for any design as well in any color scheme. So you can take ideas about patterns, making patterns, color schemes, and specific shape from this video. So just watch it till the end, because you will find almost 40 plus ideas which are all very unique and attractive and are different from each other as well. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like most of these designs and you are interested in trying them. You can take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in tutorial video as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.